Oh, I just aged like 40 years.
Yeah, this is you at 65. Yeah.
This is your boy with hair now. I have hair now. So you be the judge. I'm gonna zoom in on my face a little more. There we go. There it is. You can really see what's going on here. This was a great experience. I'm gonna just keep talking to you guys and just let me know how you feel about it. Does it look natural? Maybe this is the first time you're watching this video and you're wondering, hey, what is this guy talking about? He has such a long, luscious hair. I feel like it's pretty incredible. I don't know, I just keep looking at myself, even in the camera. I just look different. I look so different. So basically what happened. So I think I'm gonna explain the whole situation afterwards. Like once I come back, I don't wanna spend a whole lot of time with this right now. Yeah, we're gonna go and we'll record and then we'll come back. I'm gonna have a nice head of hair. My journey to finding a stylist who deals with toupees and who have experience with toupees, it took a little longer than I expected. At the end of the day, I found this wonderful hair salon in Bedford at the Sunnyside Mall. There's a place called Shades of Pink. If you have a wig or any kind of hair extension, go to them, Shades of Pink. They are amazing, and look for Sharon. She's the one who was dealing with my hair. Very knowledgeable, very experienced, and very professional. It was actually super refreshing to see how professional hairstylists work on hair. Basically the process, the way it went down, it was pretty similar to what I imagined. The base model, the base style has this default size, has a default hair length, so you have to kind of cut that to fit your head. Yesterday I went in just for a little measurement kind of thing. Last night Sharon cut the hair piece so it would fit me. Today, the way we started, we basically shaved up the place, shaved up the part of my head.
What do you think, Choa?
I wonder where this hair came from. And then we had a lot of discussions on whether to use glue or tape, and we ended up using glue. Ghost Bond Platinum. Obviously I don't have any experience with these products, so I don't know if it's good or not. We use glue. She put a layer on my head, and then we waited a little, and then she put another layer. So she basically did 3 times. She put 3 layers of glue on my head.
Trevor had the Beatles haircut for a very long time.
Oh,
the
yeah.
long,
I've seen the
swoopity
video of you when you were younger, when you did it that time.
Yeah.
I did see that.
Oh yeah, you cried. You like cried in that one when you cut your hair for the first time, Chava.
No, I was just very...
You were quite
somber.
emotional. Yeah.
Yeah, it's tough because, you know, I think at that point I was like, what, 25 or 24?
We just started dating, yeah.
And then basically just stuck the headpiece on. All the choices in my life has led to this moment.
Almost.
It's a part of you now, Jenna. Look how good you look. With the curls. Look how amazing that looks.
And then the work started. Honestly, it felt very good. In a strange way, it feels very breathable. I don't feel like there is something that's like really on my head, to be honest with you. I obviously feel that there is something on my head that wasn't there before. It's not heavy, it's not warm. It's a little warmer than before. I've noticed that. She gave me tape as well. So in the coming weeks, I'm gonna give a try to using only the tape, and probably I'm gonna give a try to using the tape and the glue, and then I can talk about which one is the better. The moment she put the headpiece on, after that it was just a matter of thinning it up, because the hair was very thick and this was a lot of it. So it was thinning it and styling it. This is kind of how I wore my hair back in the day. So I figured that, yeah, right now we're gonna give this a try and see how it looks and how it blends in. The hair is just a bit darker, I think, than my true hair. Lisa says that it looks very natural. And you're looking at me right now, so please tell me what do you think? This was the toupee by Lavivid. All the information on this headpiece that I'm wearing right now is gonna be under the description. Bring this a little closer here so you guys can see. So this is my hairline. I mean, I think with this style, kind of comes up a bit. I think I can glue that piece down a bit more. At the front, it's very secure right now, and that's how this looks. And I've noticed that I think here I'm gonna be able to put a little more glue and just glue this down a bit more. One of the advantages of this style, even if the hairline doesn't look perfect, it's pretty much covered. You tell me, do you see where my hair starts and where the toupee begins? I literally had this headpiece on for probably around 2 hours now, and we already went grocery shopping on the way home. I obviously know that it's there. I definitely notice it. People didn't look at me strange, and I didn't really feel strange. When I see my reflection, it still feels very unreal, but I don't think anyone really noticed. I don't know. Let me just turn around and show you guys what's going on here. Look at this. Yeah. Pretty good, eh? You know what? I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna have a sleep, obviously, with my headpiece on. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow morning and see how this looks, see how I'm gonna feel, see how long it's gonna take to style it, and I'm gonna get back to you guys, and I think that's gonna be a perfect end of the first video. Oh god, I'm so sleepy. Hey, good morning guys! I had my first shower. I didn't do anything with the hair. I just kinda let water just run through it. So I didn't put any product in it. I just let water run through it. Sleeping with it was okay. It wasn't uncomfortable. I had a nice sleep, so it was fine. So I just showered with it, and it seems like it's holding up pretty well. I'm gonna try to find a comb here. I guess I need to invest in some combs, because I think the last time I was purging the bathroom, I already had no hair. I'm just kind of letting it air dry. This is it's coming up here. So I think I'm gonna try to fix that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait until this dries, and then I'm gonna fix this, and then I'm gonna finish this video. And the joys of not turning on my microphone at the end, I'm sure it happened to many of us here on YouTube. The point is, I managed to fix my hair in the corner very easily with some glue, and for now it feels and looks very good. If you want to know how my journey continues with the toupee, please subscribe. Remember, you find all the information down in the description. In fact, I have a 15% off coupon code for you as well if you order the same hair replacement system you see in this video. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time. Bye!